Hello friends, today's topic, some suggestions from investor who has 10 crore corpus. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. There is a famous saying, proper preparation prevents poor performance. We are sure that many channel members, especially our workshop graduates, will create a portfolio in multiple crores by the age of 50, 55, 60 years. This will be a great achievement. However, if we are not aware and prepared to face the obstacles and difficulties that we may face on the journey towards creating a large corpus, we may never create a large corpus. One of the financial blogs on M. Pattabhiraman's website has shared the experience of an investor, Ramesh, no name mentioned in the original article to maintain anonymity, who has touched a corpus of 10 crores in stocks and mutual funds, apart from real estate, gold, etc., at the age of 46. The figures are, as on June 2023, they may be significantly higher now. However, the learnings from his experience are useful for everybody. Ramesh has shared 20 important lessons which are very useful for all long-term investors. Read them at least thrice. Number one, Ramesh has done mutual fund SIP for 18 years continuously without missing even one installment. He started with a SIP of rupees 1000 per month. 2. He had invested in stocks around 12 to 13 years back, but due to incurring loss due to lack of knowledge, he discontinued after 1 or 2 years and only recently restarted around 4 to 5 years back. 3. The investor has been working in the IT field for 25 years. He saved right from the beginning. Initially, for the first few years, he saved in FD, post office deposits, since he was not aware of the mutual funds and direct stocks. 4. His wife is a homemaker and his corpus has been created through the single income of his. He had to also simultaneously financially support his parents. 5. Ramesh has always been in employment for the last 25 years and has an opportunity to work abroad for a few years, which helped him save and invest a larger amount. 6. He believes that focusing on career and increasing income over the years will improve our capacity to invest more money and thereby create a large corpus. 7. He suggests to not complicate the investment. He has avoided the investment in chit, FNO, cryptocurrency or any other get-rich-quick schemes. 8. Ramesh did not buy real estate until he was sure about his financial position, always lived on rent until he built a home where he plans to stay permanently. 9. He mentioned that he took the help of financial planners to guide him in his journey. 10. He reached 1 crore portfolio mark after 110 months of SIP. Thereafter, because of compounding effect, every subsequent crore has taken lesser and lesser time. 11. After a few years of SIP, he stepped up the amount of SIP stock market investments due to higher savings. 12. Ramesh experienced the highest single month decline of portfolio value of 18.99% in October 2008 and 16.03% in March 2020 during Corona. 13 suggestions by the investor. The highest monthly gain was 13.09% in November 2017 and 11.22% November 2020 and April 2014. 14. The highest decline per month was 62 lakhs in March 2020. Highest gain was 63 lakhs in July 2022. 15. He has created a corpus which is enough for the higher education and marriage of his 2 children and also for retirement. 16. Ramesh does not plan to retire as of now since he does not have any hobbies to keep himself busy and his work is not very hectic. 17. Recently, he has started diverting his investments into index funds since he wants to take lesser risk and expects around 11 to 12% per annum in the long term. 18. In the near future, he hopes to cover yearly living expenses from dividend income itself. 19. He regrets having started his investment journey at least 5 years earlier and not having invested more money when there were big market crashes in 2008 and 2020. 20. Ramesh also mentioned about his mistake in taking an endowment life insurance policy in initial phase due to lack of knowledge of term insurance. End of the video, here is a question. Type in one word or sentence on how you felt after listening to the investment journey of Ramesh. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.